Hi, I'm Stacey with WTI. If you're doing a lot of work around your home, then you know that it's really important to have all the right tools. This awesome sensor from Tyrry is a perfect stud finder so that you can hang everything in your home and you can really know that you're doing the job right. This sensor is so responsive. As soon as you turn it on, you can see that it has 9 different settings so that you can easily find studs in the wall, metals, electric cords, and everything that you need to be able to get the job done right. I really appreciate that it will detect which direction that it's in, and it will even beep when it tells you that it's found the right thing that you're looking for. I have an awesome handyman who happens to be my dad, and he was really impressed because he goes old school, but the sensor found the stud the same exact time that he did. The sensor is completely rechargeable thanks to the USB cord that it comes with, and it's really easy to hold on to when you're working with it on the wall as well. I really wanted this because I am such a klutz. I hang things incorrectly all the time. And so being able to have this will help me to get the job done right. It's highly intelligent and it will help me in every way when I'm doing some work around the house. But that's just my point of view.